from next
මොකද්ද?
week.
Sir අර
From
5:30 sir අර 5:30
දැන්
වලට
next
පටන් අරගෙන 8:30 වගේ
month එකේ 5:30 ඉඳන් 8:30 වගේ.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
So
So
I can keep 5:30.
yeah, 5:30.
at 5:30.
Yes, 5:30 p.m. to like 8:30 or 8 p.m. 8:30 or 8 p.m. Right? So be prepared. Again, last year line right? බඩගිනීම නම් විතරක් අම්මලට කියලා කවල් ගන්න. Right? 8:30 p.m. 5:30 p.m. වගේ. Right? So
මට ක්ලාස් එකක් ඉවර වෙනවා පහට ගෙදර එනකොට පහමාර කාල විතර වෙයි මම බුලන් නම් ඉක්මනින් එන්න.
okay කියලා. Okay.
Sir, I have aeronautical lectures at school. I can come.
All right. Okay. So great. Right? So try to participate. Right? So however, if you miss the like first 30 minutes, okay, miss or not, right? At the end, you can stay and ask from me, right? Then I will teach you, right? However, right? Because we need more time, right? 2 hour class is not enough, then, right? So I'm extending the hours, right? The hours, right? So I can do lot more, right? Okay. Today, what I am going to discuss is make a very interesting part, right? Very interesting lesson. Algebraic expression. This is 12th lesson, huh?
No.
Algebraic expressions.
Algebraic expressions.
Right, guys, can you see the board? Is there anything something like blur on this point?
No sir.
Right. Okay. So what do you know about algebraic expression? Right. So in this algebraic expression lesson, right? So you will be having some kind of terms, right? You will be having some kind of terms that you need to understand, right? Aditya, please, can you mute? Right. So first of all, we have to discuss about how to construct the algebraic expression. Right? How to construct a algebraic expression, right? So for that, right, there are few special words, right? So one is called unknown term. Don't write that. I will give you the time to write. The first one is unknown term, right? And the other one is variable. Right? The other one is variable, right? And the other one is constant. Right? Constant. So these three words are very important, right? Right? So now you are in grade 7. So this is the beginning, right? In grade 7. Right? And grade 8, grade 9, grade 10, grade 11, right? And after that, if you do your A-levels, right? In whatever field, I do not know about art, right? Arts can know more than that, right? So if you do like commerce, SFT, ICT, maths, bio, right, and then agriculture, right? So whatever the field, these things come, right? Without these things, right, you can't be exist, right? You cannot exist in the math field, right? In any kind of field. So you have to identify these things very well. I mean, these are not hard, and always what I'm saying is no need to by heart the one of the maths, right? Each and everything you have a pattern, right? So you need to catch the pattern, right? Fine. If I have unknown term, constant, variable, how do I solve a question? There is a pattern, right? You need to catch the pattern, right? And so, what is an unknown term? Right. This term called we do not know the value of that term, right? Numerical value of that term. Then we call this an unknown term. Like I will give you the typewriter. Please together. Then what is the variable? Right? If the numerical value of the quantity changes, right? Then it is called a variable, right? Then constant, this is a fixed value, right? The value or the quantity won't change, right? Then it is called constant, right? So by to represent a constant, we use like simple A, B, T, right? X, Y, Z, right? So on and so forth, right? And these things also, right? For an unknown term, or a variable, or a constant. So we use these things apart from numerical value, right? Or right now I have given you a brief idea, right? Now let's write. I will share my screen, right? Right. Right. I hope you can see this. First, write constructing algebraic expression. Then these are the important points. Right? When the numerical value of a constant is unknown, it is called unknown constant. Right?
Sir, should we write?
Yes, please write. First of all, you have to write constructing algebraic expression, that is the subtitle. Then these important 3 points, right? Please write. I will explain. If the numerical value or the quantity changes or no fixed value, if they are, it is called a variable. Unknown constants and variables can be represented, right? By using English alphabet such as simple A, B, C, X and Y.
Sir, we have to write the topic and we have to write the
Yes.
points.
Yes, please write the subtitle and after that write down these 3 points, right? Kirusha innone ada? Innone.
Nada.
Alright. සද්දයක් අත් ඇහුන්නේ නැහැ මොකද? Right. Write fast, huh? Vegen liyanna. So if you finish writing, you can send me D for done, na. I will explain this. I have given you an like brief explanation.
අම්මේ මේ කට්ටියට YouTube channels පවා තියෙනවා.
Tirath, can you mute? Tirath මොනවද තියෙන්නේ?
නෑ සර් මේ අපේ මල්ලි YouTube channels YouTube videos අතරින් ඉඳලා.
Ah, good. Does anyone of you have like YouTube channel?
Yes, sir.
Oh, nice. Right, after explaining this, I will tell you something. Right, so that will be good for your future. Right, is the time enough or do you need more time to write?
Give me a minute.
Okay, when you finish, let me know, huh? And drink water. මම හැමදාම කියනවා බයිබලේ වගේ. ස්ටුඩන්ට්ස් ලාට බයිබල් එක මේක තමයි. And good food. හොඳ කෑම, හොඳට වතුර. Okay. Senula has done. Okay. What about others? Please send me D4 done. Right. When you finish, right? අපි ටිකක් වේගෙන් ලියන්න තුරු වෙන්න ඕන. අර ගෑනුලම යන්නේ කවුරුත් නේ. මේ
Sir, can you put it into the chat? Then you can make. Sir, ඊට පස්සේ ඔයාලට මේ explain කරන්න පුළුවන් sir. Sir, ඒක chat එකට දාන්න sir. එතකොට sirට ඒක දැන් explain කරන්න පුළුවන්.
So you can, yes, good point, huh? Thank you. Okay, I will put this into chat, right? So thank you, Hirusha. So these are the 3 points and I will put this into the chat. I will name it like 1, 2, 3, right? You can put whatever the bullet. Right, I have put it in the chat, right? So you can see the chat and write. So I will explain it again. So first point, right? And most importantly, I will say the first bullet. So before that sentence, there is a like something like dot, right? It is called bullet, right? Right. So you can change different bullet if you want, right? 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 Trichona, bold, facile, photo, right? Whatever you want. Right? So unknown term. It says again, what is an unknown term? Right? So what is the unknown term is represented by using, right? Or identified by using when the numerical value of a constant is unknown, right? So there is something called, let's say, so for an example, right? with the comb of banana, right? Comb of banana, right? Because the comb of banana here me. Kehel when you are the end of right? Kehel cannot name, right? Not bunch of banana, right? But a comb of banana, the part of that, right? So you can count the huh?
කෙසෙල්ලා වගේ
every, right? So every, right? Every teen getting you can count, right? You can count that, right? So it is known, right? So we cannot tell it is unknown. Now you have a bunch of banana in a tree, right? Very big banana, a bunch of banana, right? It cannot look thin, right? Big one. Right? Can you now if you cannot touch it, right? Only you can see it at the top of the tree, right? You cannot count the number of bananas, right? So you will guess this much of banana will be there. So I don't know exact number. Unknown term. So you do not know it until you count. You do not know, right? Okay. You take like what's the name? You take handful of sand from the beach, right? Valley Ahuragan, right? Okay. Now, can you tell, or can you estimate, can you tell me the exact number of, let's say, grams of that sand? Grams
No.
you can't,
No.
right? Until you measure, right, by using a balance, right? Taradiya use kala ogollo measure karna you can't tell that grams. That is an unknown term, right? And what is the variable? What is the variable? Important two words are important words. Go with the variable, right? The definition says if the numerical value or the quantity changes, if the numerical value or the quantity, right, changes, no fixed value is there. That's the important part. Fixed value, we cannot fix a value, right? So, for an example, I can say, right? Now think, Aditya is riding a bicycle. Motorcycle or motorbike, right? Motorbike can you know. Right? So, you are going from like Colombo to Gold, right? Can you drive that bike with the constant speed? Like for an example, 60 kilometers per hour. Each and every time you are going 60 kilometers per hour. Can you do that from Colombo to Gold? Can you do that?
No, sir.
No, you
No,
can't imagine. 90 kilometers යට කියන්න බෑ. එහෙනම් මේක ජපානයේ විතර වෙන්න ඕනේ. හරි. ජපානයේ වගේ 30 power වල වෙන්න ඕනේ. හරි. තට high speed. එහෙනම් pattern එකේ එකදී ඉස්සර තියලා යන්න පුළුවන්. right? Constant speed. ඒ point එකට තමයි මම කියන්න දිනවා. right? මම කියන්න. I will tell you. right? පොඩි කතාවක්. right? From Colombo to Goal, you cannot go in a fixed speed. 60 kilometers per hour, you cannot do that, right? Hey, බංගු දිනනවා නේද? බංගු දිනනවා. ඊට පස්සේ වෙනවා ගිහිල්ලා traffic කව වෙනවා. Then color lights, right? And so ගාටක බස් පස්සේ යන්න වෙනවා. බස් පස්සේ යන්න ඕනේ. බස් ඉස්සර කරන්න වෙනවා. 60 කිලෝමීටර් 60 විතර ගිහිල්ලා බස් එක ඉස්සර කරාගේද? ඒ ආකාර පැගුත් right? 80 විතර බස් එකේ ගියොත් 60 කිලෝමීටර් 60 ගිහිල්ලා you cannot overtake that bus, right? So always the
sir,
Like-
highway එකක් තිබ්බ? Highway එකක් තිබ්බ?
here this Sri Lanka
කොළඹේ?
ඒ highway වල entrance තියෙනවා. එතකොට ඒත් slow කරන්න ඕනේ. You have to take the ticket and so on and so forth, right? Sri Lanka එහෙම කියන්න බෑ. If you go like Germany, China, right, USA, අන්න highways, right, you can go. ඉවගෙන ගියා එක. Right, දිග on a goal to Colombo තනි highway එකක් තිබ්බොත් you can go, right, with a constant speed, right. Okay, so that speed always changing, right. 30 kilometers per hour, 40 kilometers per hour, then you have a straight dive and you go like 100 kilometers per hour, right? Right? So then that is always changing, right? That value is not fixed. That is a variable. That speed is called a variable, right? So those are the two different changes. Right. මම කියවන ඉස්සලා කියන්න දෙයක් තියෙනවා කියන්නේ. මේක මේතන ඉංග්‍රීසි මාත් යන්නේ මම ඒක සිංහලෙන් කියන්න ඕනේ. Right, when I am explaining the theory part I will give you it in English, right. So additional knowledge, right. මේ හිට්ලර් හිටියේ ජර්මනි වල, right. එතකොට එයාගේ තිබ්බ මේ වදකා ගන්න. ප්‍රීසර් right. මිනිස්සුන්ට වද දුන්නා. මට මතක නැහැ හරියට මොකක්ද කියලා, right. එයාගේ තියෙනවා එක road පාර එක lane 8ක් දකුණු තියෙනවා, right, very huge highway. In that highway you can't ride a vehicle like bike නෙමෙයි, you can't go bike, මේ vehicle below 160 kilometers per hour, right, 140 or 160, right? In that the minimum speed is 160 or 140, I cannot remember, right? So or in that highway you can go only more than that of the more than 140 or 160 kilometers per hour, right. මේ යන්න හිතන්නත් පුළුවන් බෑ, right. එතකොට ඒ වාහනවල ගොඩක් වෙලාවට තියෙනවා මේ lock speed කියලා. So speed එක 140 ආවම you can lock the speed, then it right. So that is an additional one, right. Then you can go like in a constant speed, right. 140 or 60 or below here you will be fine, right. Right. So those are the two important things. And variable. So in mathematics, right, in mathematics we use English alphabet to express a variable or unknown term. Like you can say A, B, C, D, blah 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 blah, X, Y, Z. You can use English alphabet. That is the last point, right? Okay. So I hope you now know this. Right. Right. Okay. Then what I am going to do is, right, now look at the board. I am going to draw a picture, right. Now here you have a container. Container කියන්නේ මේ පාර යන ඒවා නෙමෙයි, right. Margin. Don't do anything, right. කරන්න එපා. Look at the board, right. And here you have like a person, right. Right, this person, අපි කියමු කමල් කියන කමල්. This person is putting some kind of number of holes into this container, right. 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 Now, can anyone tell me how many number of balls inside in this container?
So should we estimate or count it?
Right. Yes, that's a good question. Right. By looking at this container, right? This is a it's a ball. Think like this is a cylinder, right? And top of that cylinder has been opened, and you put balls in this. Now, by looking at this, can you tell me the number of balls inside this container?
50 x
Huh?
x.
Yes.
White.
Right. I am asking a simple question, right? You have to tell me yes or no. Right? Each and every one of you need to give me the answer. Right? You can.
Yes, 36.
Now this is the round one. How you make a tip like a cylinder, right? Yeah, this is if you look from the top, you will be seeing things like this. Each and everywhere you have balls. Right? From bottom, sorry, top to bottom. This is a cylinder. Cylinder. Right. Now by looking at the appearance and you are looking outside, can you tell me the number of balls inside this? Yes or no? Only two. You can
No.
say yes. You can say no. Okay. Please put your answer in the chat. Yes or no? I want to see. You can put Y
Sir, directly or to everyone?
or any. Okay, direct or to anyone. Kirat has sent me no. What about others? You can type just YO and okay, Hirusha is saying no. Senula is saying no. Others? Tankale. Oh, you can send. Just tell me the answer if you cannot type, right? Aditya. Okay, everyone's answer is no, right? So basically, you cannot count by looking at it. Right? If you take one by one, then you can count. Right? Then I heard someone of you told me the answer for that. Now here these number of poles are unknown. Right? Number of poles are unknown. Right? Now I can tell. Oh, now I can assume. Right? What a hitanna bro. Right? Now I can assume. Right? Or I can write like this. Let assume the number of balls inside the container is what done. What is the letter that we are going to put? You have 26 letters. English alphabet. What is the letter? Any letter? Can anyone tell me?
X.
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 Yes, you can put A, B, C, D, blah, 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 X, Y, Z, but up to Z, right? So from A to 3. So I will use X, right? So because we put this X here, because we do not know the exact count of number of balls inside this container. We do not know, right? That it is an unknown term. Unknown term, we name it as X number of balls inside this bucket. Right? Right? Okay. Please write this, then I will explain the next. Let's go step by step. If you understand these things well, this rest of the lesson nothing.
Sir, should we write this?
Yes, it's please right. Maybe I'll be known. This is a container and you last something right? So we need more time. Right, when you finish writing, let me know. Then please let me know. Okay, Chirath, Senula done, Hirusha done. Okay. Okay, hope all of you have done. Right? Then, so this part is okay now. Right? Inside this, we have X number of balls. Like this, we have X number of balls. And now what I am going to do is, right? Now here I have my bucket with same bucket. Each and everywhere I have balls. Right? Now that Kamal or Kamala, whatever, right, is going to take 3 balls out from this. 3 balls out from this. Right? 1, 2, 3. 3 balls out. Right? Now, William go Kamal here. Kamal takes 3 balls out from the container.
Sir, should we write?
No, I will tell when you need to write. Right? Out from the
Okay, sir.
container. I will give you the time. When I am explaining, look at the board. Right? So previously we had X number of balls. Right? X number of balls. Now this Kamala, right, comes and takes 3 balls out. 1, 2, 3. Right? 3 balls out. Right? How many balls? 3 balls out. Right. Now, can anyone of you tell me uh, what is the number of balls now remaining after taking 3 balls out from this X? After taking 3 balls from this x number of balls,
minus 2, x minus 3.
yes, that is the ball. Right? Previously, we had x number of balls, right? Then this Kamala comes and take 3 balls out from that container, right? Now I am asking from you, how many number of balls are there in this container? Now, how many?
X minus 3.
Minus 3.
Yes, x minus 3. Previously we had x number of balls. Now we throw out 3 balls. Now what is the number of balls that we have? Minus 3. Right? We took 3 balls out. මේකෙන් තුනක් ඊට ගත්තා. එතකොට we have x minus 3 balls inside this. Right? Okay. Right? Now you can write. Right? Finally, I am asking a question. Now, how many number of balls are there inside the container? Right. Please provide the answer here. Please write this and draw this picture. Right. And write this one and provide me the answer. Yes. Aditya, send me the answer. Yes, that is the answer. Right. When you finish writing, let me know. And when I am explaining, please don't write anything. Look at the board. When I am explaining, right? Right. Hope you have written down this.
No, sir.
Right. The answer should be x minus 3. Previously we had x number of balls, right? X number of balls, and we took 3 balls out. That means we need to subtract 3 balls from this previous number of balls. It is x. Right. Okay. Right. So I will explain what is x minus 3. Yeah? Now look at the board. Don't write. X minus 3. Right? And this x minus 3, right? X minus 3 is called an algebraic expression. This type of expression, right? This type of thing, right? X minus 3, y minus 20, so on and so forth, right? This kind of thing, we call this as an algebraic expression, right? And these x and 3 are called algebraic terms, or we can say terms. Right? Normally we can say x is the term, 3 is the term of that algebraic expression, right? Right. Okay, I will now write it Please look at the board. Huh? This whole thing is called an algebraic expression. Right? And this x and 3. X and 3 are whole term. Are whole term. Right? This is point number 1. This is point number 2. Right? This whole one is called algebraic expression, and this x and this 3, x and 3 are called terms. Please write this. Right. Hope you have finished writing. Right. I'm going to share my screen. Right. And can you please write example number 1? Right. The letter M represent a number of unknown value. Right. The letter M represents a number of unknown value. And write down this part as well. Only this one. Please don't write this.
Sir, right? What?
Only write these two. The letter M represent a number of unknown value, and part 1 write in terms of M the number which is 3 times the given number. Right? So I will explain that. Right, when you finish writing, let me know. Huh? Write only the first part. Write in terms of M the number which is 3 times the given number. Right, okay. Okay, now look at the board. Huh?
Sir, can you send to the chat?
Did you miss this?
Yes, sir.
Sorry. I will send it. Okay, I have put it in the chat. Right. Now what? Let's write down what it explains. Now look at the board. So this is an example. Example number 1. Right. So it tells us, right, there is an unknown term, right, which is called m. Right. There is an unknown term which is called m. Right. In the first part, right, in the first part, it asks from you, write in terms of m, right, comma, the number which is 3 times the given number. What is the given number? So given number is m. This is the given number, right? Now you need to understand the question step by step, right? This is the given number, which is m, right? According to the question, right? According to the question, right? Right, in terms of m, the given number, right? So the number which is 3 times, which is 3 times, 3 times, Nick. So you know how to write 3 times, right? 3 multiple, not 3x. This is not x, but this is multiplication. So we normally read this 3 multiply, right? Or else we can read this 3 times. Look at the first part. The number which is 3 times, 3 times the given number. Given number is n. So 3 times the given number. 3 times the given number, it is n. So first part should be 3 times the given number m. You can remove multiplication if you want. 3m. You can just write 3m. 3 times m. Right? 3 times m. 3 multiply m. 3 times n. 3 times the given number. 3 times the given number. 3 times the given number. Right? 3 times n. You can remove multiplication, right? When you are writing like this, right? These are same. So this is again called algebraic expression. 3 times n. 3 times the given number. Please write this. Right? Put from number 1 and under. Now you have write down the question. So below that you can write 3 times m equals 3m. Right? 3 times m equals 3m. Okay, I am giving you the second part as well. Right? I am putting it. Okay, I will share it. Right. Please write down the second part. This one. If you finish writing the what is in the board, please write. Write in terms of m the number which is 15 more than 15 more than twice the given number. Please write all the part, and I will put it into the chat as well. When you finish writing, let me know. You can send me D for done. Right? I am explaining this very slowly, step by step. Right? If you catch this part, this lesson is nothing. In lesson right? When I vachana tika tama, you have to understand, na? 3 times, right? Twice the given number, right? So on and so forth. Right. I am going to stop sharing and you can see the chat as well. Right. Now in the second part, what it tells us is, right? Now this is how we are going to approach. This is how you are going to approach. If you cannot understand any question, right? This is how you are going to approach for that question, right? Now look at, right? Write in terms of n. So you have to use the algebraic expression by using term m, right? That is the given number, right? What is telling in the second part? The number which is 15 more than the number which is 15 more than 15 more than, right? Okay, right? I can't understand. I will keep it like that. 15 more than twice the given number. What is the given number? M. Twice means, what is twice? Can anyone tell me? Twice the given number. How do we write it? Twice. Twice the given number. Tell me. Twice क्या हुआ? Mama done है. English done है.
2 times.
2 times.
Yes, that's the point. Twice the given number, right? Twice means 2 times, right? Twice to the given number m. Or you can write it like this: 2 times m, or you can write 2m. Twice the given number 2m, right? Okay, I will put it here 2m. Now is that the end? Man, I missed one part. What is the missing part? 15 more than that. 15 more than. Right? More than means 15 ready. Right? 15 more than the twice of the given number. How do we write that? More than. What is the operation? What is the what is the operation that we use? It is plus, it is negative, it is multiplication, no, it is division. What is the operation that we can use for the word that?
Multiplication.
Okay, others can tell the answer. Multiplication plus negative division. Okay, you can put it into chat, your answer. Plus, multiplication, division, negative. හිරුෂ මොකද සෙනුල ගියාද? සෙනුල ඩ්‍රොප් වෙලා. Right. We use multiplication for 2 times, right? And 3 times, right? What word can you use when you are having more than? More than, වැඩි. ඊට වඩා වැඩි. Guys, give me some right, 2-3 seconds. I do not know whether why Senula left. Power cut. Right, Senula is having a power cut. Right. Okay. Oh, Anita, Chirat, what is your answer? When you are saying more than, right? Now we have used multiplication for twice, and we can use twice and 2 times the given number, right? You can use multiplication, right? Okay, I am giving you a hint now. Dinesh and
Yes, sir.
so, can you give me an answer? Very quiet person. More than. What is the operation that you can use? Plus, minus, multiplication, division. more than. Then twice keyword, twice keyword, and 2 times keyword. You can use multiplication. Twice, 2 times. You can use multiplication. When you have word more than, what you can use? Positive, negative, multiplication. What is the thing? I am giving you a hint that.
Positive.
Yes, positive. Right? More. Now I will give you at the end, right? So if you are using twice, thrice, 2 times, 3 times, 10 times, 5 times, right? 50 times, then you have to use multiplication operation, right? The operation you have to use multiplication. If you are using more than, you have to use positive. If you have something like some word like lesser than, right? What can you use? Lesser than. What is the? Yes.
Minus.
Yeah. Minus. Aditya, now you got the point. Yes, Chirat, nice, huh? You have sent me the answer for that. Aditya, hi. Oh, Aditya, did you got the point? Did you get the point?
Yes.
Alright. So if you have word more than, you have to use plus the. So in the second question, it says 15 more than the twice the given number. Now twice the given number, right? 2 times 10. 15 more than. Add. Right? Add 15 for this. Now this is also an algebraic expression. Right? And this 2 and this m, right? And this 15 are the terms of that algebraic term. Algebraic expression. Right? Please write this one. Right?
So
Now
ඒක පොඩ්ඩක්
maybe
පැහැදිලි කරන්න පුළුවන්ද?
what the version?
So ඒක පොඩ්ඩක් පැහැදිලි කරන්න පුළුවන්ද?
Okay, let's do some more examples, right? So yeah, I will explain. Can you read me the question for the illusion? Second part. Illusion, can you read?
සර් මේ අර මේ chat එකට දාලා ඉන්නද?
Second. Yes, please. Step by step, please read.
Write in terms of m the number which is more than the twice the given number.
More than. Here the more than.
Twice.
Missing number is missing. I give out bala කියනවත් බෑනේ. Number more than මොකද්ද? පැල දිනවා. අංකයක්.
15.
Go 15 කිව්වේ then they give. Number more than 15 the කියන්න. Guys, can you hear me? මේ පොඩ්ඩක් මේ disconnect වුණා. Right. මොකක්ද ඒක කියන්නේ? 15 more than. Right? 15 more than the twice the given number. Right? So what is the given number, Hirusha? What is the given number?
M.
M. How do you obtain twice of that given number? Twice. What is the answer for twice the given number?
Multiplied by 3. M multiplied by 3.
2 multiplied by 8. That is 2m. So how do you denote How do you represent more than 15? More than 15?
Plus
By addition.
by
Yes.
addition.
By adding 15 for that. Twice of the given number more than 15. Right? More than 15 twice the given number. Right? So this is the way. Let's do some more examples, then you can definitely catch the pattern. Right? So, okay. I am going to share the screen again. How the right by discussing the next examples, I will ask at the end. Now you can understand or not. Right? Then මට කියන්න whether you could understood right or not, right? තේරුණාද නැද්ද කියලා මේ examples වලින් පස්සේ කියන්න. Right? So I will okay. So I am going to share the screen. Right. Yeah. Right. Write down the first one. Sarah. This is the okay. You can say this is the second example because previously we discussed the example number 1, right? Whatever. Please write down this. Sarah is 4 years older than her brother. Please write down. I will explain.
Finisher.
Right. Okay. Nice. Right. Sarah is 4 years older than her brother. If you want, I will put it into the chat as well. Right. Taggala liyaganna මම ඒ වගේ share කරපුවාම then we can discuss more. Right. I will clear the board. Now you those who can understand the question, you can write the algebraic term if you want, right? If you cannot understand by reading that, right? If you hearing that, look at the book, right? You have to try, yeah. You have to try yourself. I can give only the technical term and the way that need you to think, right? The method. I can give only the method. You have to practice, how to practice day by day. How to practice? Then what you do not have questions, right? So, do you have ChatGPT? Right? I mean, anyone can use ChatGPT, right? ChatGPT word again, right? Give me some examples for algebraic expression. Or give me 5 examples for algebraic expression. Okay, 5 examples there. Then try to write down the answers for them. Right? And if you still do not understand, say ChatGPT. ChatGPT again, please give me the step-by-step answer guide for the above question. එයා generate කරපු example පහට උත්තර පහ step by step දෙන්න කියලා ඔයා type කරන්න. Then he will guide you how to obtain the answer. Right? Extra අමතර දෙයක් කිව්වේ, right? So, what is the thing? Sarah is 4 years, right? Sarah is 4 years older than her brother, her bro, right? Right. So let's take thousand. Bro tamai me here, right? Now Sarah is here, right? Now can anyone tell me by reading this, right? Sarah is 4 years older than, sorry, missing on, older than her brother, right? Who is the youngest? Bro,
Her brother.
huh?
Her brother.
Brother, right? Then Sarah is the oldest one, right? Sarah is 4 years older than her brother. Now, do you know the exact number of years of Sarah's brother? Right? Exact number of age of Sarah's brother. Dhanwal, do you know? Is that unknown term or known term?
Unknown term.
Unknown term.
Unknown term.
You cannot say the exact age of Sarah, or you cannot say the exact age of brother. Right? So here you have brother, here you have Sarah. Right? Now you told me overlooking brother by reading this, right? Brother is the youngest one. Right? Then Sarah is the oldest one. Sarah should be the akka, right? Brother, right? Bro should be the Malini, right? Right. So I will take the age of brother as X. Right. Now, by reading this, can you tell me the age of Sarah in terms of X? By using this X, can you tell me the age of Sarah? Right.
X plus 4.
X
Nice.
plus
Yes, X plus 4. Because Sarah is 4 years older. Vedimal, right? Mehatama Lokka. Right? This is the oldest one. Right? Akka, right? So if you want, you can draw this. Now look at the word. I will give you the time. Rota vada Sarah. Vedimal. Right? Akka, right? So I will take the age of the brother as X. Then you can write down the age of Sarah, right? By adding 4 to brother's age. Right? Brother's age is 8. Sarah is older than brother. How many years? 4 years. Plus 4. Right? We have another word. Older than. We use positive, right? So don't write this one now. I am just collecting the words, right? At the end, I will give you, right? So Sarah's age is X plus 4, right? So that should be the answer. Please write this. This is how we are going to approach. This is how we are going to approach for the question, right? Please read the question first and write something, some sketch like this. Bro is younger than the Sarah, right? Sarah is the Akkani, bro is the Malli. So you can write it like this.
Finish, sir.
Right, nice. I will share the screen again.
Finish.
Okay. Right. This one. Please write the second one. 1 pen cost 45 rupees. What is the cost of n pens? Here you have n na. Simple n. Cost of n pens. Right. I will put it in the chat. Oh, right. Right. Great. Date to la. Kene kevono me answers tika. Right. Me homeworks. Right. So you have to send me the homeworks. Hirusha. That can I have here ne me. ඔය answers එවනවා යා. හරි. Right. Okay. So what is this? Uh, one pen costs 45 rupees. Okay. Now, right, at once, some of you might get the idea, right? සමහර ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ අයට මේක advance read කරගොම you can understand, right? තේරෙන්නේ නැත්තම් මොකද? What if you cannot understand? What if? What if? මේව TV series එකක් බලලා තියෙනවද? කියන්න. මේව TV series එකක් බලලා තියෙනවද? What if කියන?
No, sir.
අහලා දිනව සර්.
බලලා තියෙනවද? දැන් අහලා තියෙනවද?
පොඩ්ඩක් බලලා තියෙන ඉතින් යාර බැලුවේ නැහැ.
හරි ඒක බලන්න එපා, right? මේ Avengers ලගේ එකක් මේ. right? What if TV series? right? ඕවා බලන්න පුරුදු වෙන්න එපා, right? මට අම්මලා වහන්න ගහයි තික්, right? Right. Okay. Together. Right. What if you cannot understand the question? Right. Drawing some sketch එකක් අඳින්න පුරුදු වෙන්න. You have to draw some sketch, right? Now think I cannot understand this. One pen cost 45 rupees, right? The one pen cost one pen. This is a pen. This cost 45 rupees. 45 rupees, right? And it asks, what is the cost of n pens? N pens, right? That is the unknown term. We do not know the number of pens now we have, right? So it might be 100,000, right? Right? It can be more than that. Here 1, here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, blah 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 blah, or up to whatever number, right? Here all together we have n number of pens, right? Depend. So we have now n number of pens. Now look at the board. Don't write anything. Right. Now think. One pen costs 45 rupees. Right? How do you find the cost of two pens? Can anyone tell me? Oh, all of you. How do you find the cost of two pens?
N plus
N.
N.
Huh?
N plus N.
No.
N multiplication 45.
Yes. Now I am asking. One pen cost 45 rupees, right? And how do you find the cost of two pens? One pen cost 45.
45 plus N.
25 multiplied by 2.
45 multiplied by 2, right? And how to find the cost of three pens? One pen is 45.
45 multiplied by 3.
45 multiplied by
Yeah.
3.
45 multiplied by 3. How do you find the cost of 10 pens? One pen is 45 rupees.
45 multiplied by 10.
multiplied by 10.
Yes, good. Right? How do you find the cost of 1000 pens? One pen is 45.
45 multiplied by 1000.
multiplied by 1000.
Yes, multiply by 1000. Right? Now, how do you find the cost of n number of pens? Please let me know.
N multiplied by
N multiplied by
N multiplied by 45.
n multiplied by 45, right? So your answer should be n multiplied by 45. Or you can do the other way around, right? 45 multiplied by n, right? Or you can write without multiplication, right? You cannot write this now. n 45, that is not the way. First you have to write the numbers, then you have to write the letters. This is wrong, right? Right? This is correct. At the end you have to write 45 times n. This is the correct answer, right? However, these two are correct. These two are correct, but if you are writing the final answer, you will have to use this format. First value, then letters. First value, first number, then letter. First number, then letter. That is the standard. ඒක තමයි සම්මත විදිය ගණිතේ. පළවෙනියට ලියන්න you should write මේ value or the number. Then you can write letters after that. Right? 10p, right? p10 ලියන්නේ. You do not write p times 10. p10. එහෙම ලියන්න right? 10p. Right? ඒක තමයි ගැලපෙන්නේ, right? p10 එහෙම ලියන්නේ q10, right? And 10n. This is correct. 10p, right? 10p. 45 times n, right? n45 එහෙම ලියන්න. This is wrong in mathematics, right? Okay. Please write. So that is how you are going to obtain the answer for the question 1 pen cost 45 rupees.
Finish.
Right. Okay. Nice. Then let's do this third one. Oh, no. I will give you the chance to do it yourself. Third one and fourth one and right. Do third one, fourth one, and fifth one. And let me know the answers in the chat. You can send me direct answers. This is L. This is B. Breadth is B, length is L. So you know how to do that, Nene? How to find the perimeter of a rectangle? So I think you know, දන්නේ නැහැ කිව්වොත් එහෙනම් grade 6 මල්ලි කෙනෙක්ව ගෙනලා හදලා පෙන්නන්න. Right. Please let me know the answer for third one, fourth one, and fifth one. Right. I want to see who finishes first. Right. මට බලන්න ඕනේ කවුද පළවෙනිට ඉවර කරන්න කියලා. Right. You can just send me answers directly, not to the chat. Right. You can send me answers directly. හොඳට කියවන්න මුලින් ප්‍රශ්නේ. So you have to read the question, right? One by one. Right? So you can send me the answers like 3, answer is this. 4, answer is this. 5, answer is this. Right? You can send me the answer all at once. Once, someone has sent me the answer, Aditya. Aditya, how do you find the perimeter of perimeter, not the area, on area? How do you find the area of a rectangle? How do you find the perimeter of the Kira, I am expecting more exam. Sorry, more. What is that? What is XYZ, Kira? Are those the answers?
Yes, sir. I had my Zoom was not working, so I had to leave and join back.
Ah, what drop? Puna, goda khalin the drop puna Kira.
නෑ සර් ඒ කියන්නේ මට ඒ කියන්නේ සර් ෆෝන් එක එකපාරටම රත් වෙන්න පටන් අරන් මොකක්ද ඒ කියන්නේ ලැග් වෙන්න පටන් ගත්තා.
Ah, ඔයා මේ data වලින් join වෙන්නේ. Data by using data.
ඔව් සර්.
So Wi-Fi router එකක් නැද්ද?
ආම දාන්නේ.
No, it would be better if you can use Wi-Fi router. මේ ෆෝන් එක රත් වෙනවා කියන්නේ ඔයාලා charge එකට ගහගෙන ඉන්න දේ පුතේ වැඩ කරන්නේ.
නෑ නෑ සර් මේ ෆෝන් එක කොහොමද ඒ වගේ එක දිගට වැඩ කරොත් රත් වෙනවා.
Yes, if you are using mobile data, phone is overheating. Right? Phone එක ආයේ කතා දෙකක් නැහැ definitely අනිවා ලොවෙත් ඉතින් රත් වෙනවා. If you are using mobile data because it consumes more energy. මේ වටේ තියෙන signal ඔක්කොම අදිනවා signal IC එකට. It will consume your battery lot more. ෆෝන් එක ආයේ බලන් ඉන්නකොට රත් වෙනවා.
ඔව් සර් ඔව් සර් ඉතින් කලින් ෆුල් එකේ තියලා දැන් භාගය.
ඒක තමයි case එක. So it would be better, I mean all of you are right, it would be better if you can get a Wi-Fi router. ඒක ගෙදර හැමෝටම හොඳයි, ෆෝන් එකටත් හොඳයි, ඔයාලගේ සේෆ්ටි එකටත් හොඳයි. ෆෝන් එක සමහරට රත් වෙලා වැඩිලා සමහරට බැටරි පුපුරන්නත් ඉඩ තියෙනවා. right? මම එහෙම කියන්නේ නැහැ. right? ඒක සමහරට කලාතුරකින් වෙන්න පුළුවන්. සමහරට ඔයාලා ස්ටෝරේජ් දාලාදී ෆෝන් එක charge එකට ගහලා නිදාගෙන මේ ෆෝන් එක පිපිරිලා ගිනි අරගෙන. right? නැත්තම් charge එකට ගහගෙන කණේ තියාන කතා කරලා අතෙන් ෆෝන් එක blast වෙනවා. right? Sometimes මේ ඒවා safety එකට හොඳයි. ඒවාලේ අම්මලට කියන්න right? මම දන්නවා කටිය financial issues තියෙනවා. right? අම්මලා තාත්තා හරි අම්මගෙන් තමයි තල්ලි හොයන්නේ. right? ඒක ඔයාලත් දැනගන්න ඕනේ. homework කරන්න නැත්නම් ඒව මාර පව්ව. මම මේ සිරාටම කියන්නේ homework එහෙම කරන්නේ නැත්නම් ආයේ පට්ට පව්. ඒ අම්මලා ඉතින් අමාරුවෙන් අම්මලා තාත්තලා තල්ලි හොයලා දෙනවා. ඔයාලා homework කරන්න. අනිත් එක තේරෙන්නේ නැති දේවල් අහන්න නැති එක ඊටත් වැඩි පව්. හරි. පව් පුරව ගන්න කැමති නම් you can follow that way. තේරෙන්නේ නැති මොකක්ද කියපන් මයින් අහන්න. Because I am giving you the chance, right? Anytime you can, right? And it would be better if you can use a Wi-Fi router. चिराग लाया केवल कोई ना क्यों मड़ा माता है
හංවල සර්.
हमने कितना हमने नेट किया ना हमारा सिग्नल
සර් තියෙනවා හොඳට සිග්නල්. ඒ කියන්නේ සර් මේකේ දැන්නවත් අර මේ බැටරි එකේ පොඩි අවුලකුත් තියෙනවා.
हाँ एक ना right however anyone right चिराग चिराग रखने में होने के लिए एक Wi-Fi router है यूज करने का that would be better if you can ना full one ना right मेरे ना होता इगन करना होता इगन कर go to the university go abroad हम क्या ना मैं ही में बात go abroad right okay I think the time is enough Aditya
Sir,
no
a few more.
yes more tell me Dan Hirusha
Yes, sir.
yes okay 3L multiplied by B. Okay. Right. Right. Okay. Let's go to the question. Right. Okay. ඔන්න දැන් ප්‍රශ්නය right දැන් ගණන් බැරි එක නෙමෙයි කේස් එක right දැන් දන්න මේ basic දැන් මොන basic අමතක කළා you have forgotten the basic right what is the third one the length of sorry I forgot to start the recording yeah. Yes right okay so I missed right okay thank you right so third one then you people know maths right but now you don't know how to find the perimeter you do not know basic only then grade 6 අමතක කරලා grade 7 වලට එනවා right okay let's read the length of a rectangle is 1 sorry not 1 L right length of a rectangle is L this is the third one length of a rectangle is simple L right and the breadth එක equals B සාධන තාම join වෙලා නැද්ද මම හිතන්නේ නැහැ right write the expression for the perimeter of that rectangle what is called a rectangle what is this right. all the lengths are equal what is called this what we call this yeah or grade 6 mother tell me
Sir, it's a rectangle.
what
It's a rectangle.
rectangle all lengths are equal
square
yes ඔන්න මං කිව්වේ grade 6 මතක නැහැ දැන් grade 6 වල ඉඳලා කොහොමද grade 7 වලට එනකොට ඔක්කොම මතක right basic and this is called a square අයියේ ડોක්ටර් කරගන්න ඕන right this is not a rectangle okay what is this what is this
rectangle
it is the rectangle
Rectangle.
yes because this side equal to this side and this side equal to this side and normally we call this side is length this side is breadth right and can anyone of you tell me right how to find the area of the rectangle not the perimeter how to find the area of the rectangle tell me yeah
multiplying the length and the breadth
Multiplying the breadth and the
yes
length.
yes if you want to find the area of a rectangle you need to multiply length by breadth length multiplied by breadth so that is how we are going to find the area now in this question they are how to find the perimeter how to find the perimeter How do you find? Right? What is called perimeter? Right?
වටේ තියෙන ධාරිතාව වටේ තියෙන දිග
What is the digger, right? So you have to add all the length of the outside of this rectangle, right? That means you have to add. So I will begin from this length. You have to add this length, and you have to add this length, and you have breadth, and you have to add this length again, and you have to add this breadth again, right? Here the length is L, so this length is also L. This breadth is called B, and this breadth is also B, right? So I will remove this bracket, then LB, LB, right? So perimeter can be written down as, I will begin from here, L plus B, L plus B, L plus B plus L plus B. So this is the perimeter, right? The length of outside of the picture, right? So how many L's are there? How many L's can you find in the expression? Tell me. How many L's can you find in the picture? Sorry, in this expression. How many L's are there? Tell me.
2.
2 L. How many B's?
2.
2 B's. So this is the perimeter of this rectangle. 2 L's plus 2 B. So this is the end of that third pitch. Please try to start from here. Length equals L, breadth equals B. Then draw the rectangle. That is why I told you, right? If you cannot understand, please draw a picture. Right? Have a picture at one, right? Relevant picture. Right? Then you by looking at this is how I am going to find the perimeter L plus B plus L plus B. Now, perimeter B. How many L's are there? 2. 2L. How many B's are there? 2B. Done. 2L plus 2B. So perimeter is 2L plus 2B. Right? Please write down. Let's do more examples, right? Then you can get the pattern. Right? Right. When you finish, let me know. This is how we are going to find the answer for this. Right? Did you finish writing? You can send me D. Yeah? D for duck.
finish.
Okay. So I will discuss the next. Fourth one. A student scored M marks in each of 5 subjects. What is the total mark score? Right? So,
MX type.
yes. MX में right? M multiply, yeah? Right? That is not X. Right? So, student marks are called M. And how many subjects? How many subjects are there? 5, yes?
5.
5.
Right? So basically, right? Let's call math, science, right? So let's assume, so let's see math, science,
English,
yes, English. Then what are
geography,
the others?
Science.
Geography.
Sinhala,
Yes, Sinhala. Yes.
5.
Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are the 5 subjects. So for each subject, this student scores M. M marks. Maths M. Science M. English M. Geography M. Single M. Right. This is everything. Now I will put something like this. Maths 90. Science 90. English 90. Geography 90. Single 90. Right? Right. Now here are the 5 subjects and here is the mark 9. Right. Now the question says, what is the total marks for this student? Right. 90. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 times. 90 has been repeated 5 times. You can add 90 plus 90 plus 90 plus 90 plus 90 plus. In order to do that, you can just multiply 90 by what is the number? 90 multiplied by, if you
Five.
want, yes.
450.
Yes. Total mark can be found 90 multiplied by 5. 5 times 9, 450, right? Yes, nice, sir. So, likewise, each and every subject, this student got M marks. Number of subjects are 5, right? So, total marks can be written down. Total marks equals 5 subjects times M marks. This is not x. Make x the multiply. So at the end, what is the answer? 5m. Right? Total mass is 5m. Right? Very easy. Right? Very easy. Right. By discussing this last one, I will end the class. Right. Okay. So if you got correct right answer, nice. If you have something to be written, please write it. This one is not needed.
So shall we write?
If you got, I mean, if you want, you can write. I mean, if your answer is correct or wrong, right? So wrong, then definitely right. If your answer is correct, if you want, you can
Okay,
write.
sir.
Right. Right. So I will discuss. This is the fourth one, and I will discuss the fifth one. Ravi had 1,000 rupees. Right. This is Ravi. Right. What was the dance if you have a Aditya Dinesh? Right. Okay, I'm okay now. Not Ravi. This is Dinesh here. Right. Mainly Dinesh, sir. Amma gave Dinesh 1,000 rupees. Right. So now Dinesh has 1,000 rupees. Right. Right. Dinesh has 1,000 rupees now. So in that time, maybe. Right. And he spent X rupees of that 1,000 rupees. Now think, he bought ice cream by using this 1,000 rupees. That ice cream price of that ice cream is X rupees. The question asks, how much money is left? Right? කොච්චර money ප්‍රමාණයක් මෙයාගේ තියෙනවද කියලා. Right? How much money is left?
1,000 minus x.
Yes, exactly. Right?
Minus x.
Yes, nice. So previously, Dinesh had 1,000 rupees, right? And he spent X for the ice cream, right? X for the ice cream. Now it's asking how many money did it that? How much of money did it that? 1000 minus X rupees, right? So this much of money then now did that, right? If you want, you can put rupees at the front, right? This much of rupees now did that, right? Okay, right, guys. Right. Do you have any questions? Is this clear?
No, sir.
Right. Anusara, Hirusha, Dinesh,
No, no, sir.
Siras,
No, sir.
No, sir.
Senula and Senula drop ne light couple, right? Okay. Did I miss someone? Hirusha, Aditya?
No, sir.
Okay. May mata namak ke miss sunot may don't mind, right? Something. Right, okay. So Hirusha, especially right? So you have to do the rest of that, right? And do exercise 12.1. Now I will put this into the chat. Right? If you please write site exercise 12.1. නැත්තම් ගියේ දැක්කේ නැහැ කියලා. අර හිරුෂ homework. මම ගිය සතියේ මේක ලිව්වා. I wrote this one in the last week as well in the board. එහෙම ලිව්වේ නැත්තම් වීඩියෝ එකේ අගම ටික බලන්න. Right? Right, okay. Homework 12.1 I will put it in the chat group. So yes. So from next
Sir,
week.
textbook එක 12.1 ද?
Yeah. I will send it to the group. No need to refer the textbook. If you want, you can use the refer the textbook, right? So, however, I will send this into the group, right? From next week onwards, 5:30.
Okay, sir.
5:30.
Sir, I can come at 5:30. I come home at 6 to 6:15.
Okay. What about how the Chirad?
නෑ සර්.
Aditya, sir.
Aditya.
සර් මට
Yes,
නම්
sir.
5 එන්න පුළුවන්.
Right. So Aditya.